No. Well, maybe. I don't have to tell Mr. Crab. Because he already knows.
You talking?
The crabs has preternatural
What you talking about?
situations like this. It's almost as if something's amiss in the crab's mind. Can smell it. These quarters smell sad. You were not planning on getting a refill with him, are ya? No, I wasn't.
You're right, Squidward. I need help. Please pick up, please pick up. Patrick?
Yeah?
Thank goodness you're there. I got a splinter in my gum and...
I see. Well, I'm pretty cooked today. But I think I can fit you in there.
Thanks, Patrick.
No problem. You called the right person, SpongeBob.
You're gonna pass out.
Now, let's see where the problem's at.
No, Dizzy.
Interesting.
Patrick?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Interesting.
Patrick? Patrick, this isn't helping.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize you were a doctor.
I'm not.
Oh, but I'm sure you can figure it out with your 12 years of med school.
You gonna talk?
Med school.
So?
Patrick, I'm
Hannah,
sorry. I'm doing it.
are you gonna talk?
No, it looks like you have things under control.
Please, Patrick. I don't want to go home.
Curtis, give your sister a hug.
Okay, but we play by my rules, Squidward.
Hey.
Well, here's your problem. But don't you worry, buddy. We're gonna make it go away.
Thanks, Patrick. You're a lifesaver.
Appears to be a little bit of swelling. This garbage compress should help that go down. That doesn't look good. Yeah, well, my shift is over. Call me in the morning. You can still dial the phone.
What?
Behind your back.
Chris,
Put your hat on, boy. Show some company pride.
I company buy the Chris.
SpongeBob.
Yes.
Won't you?
Yes.
Interesting. Well, what's this about a splitter?